Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by heating the sticky pad so the adhesive softens. This reduces tearing and paint stress. Hold a hairdryer about 3-6 inches away and move continuously for 30-60 seconds. Once the adhesive is warm, slide a plastic scraper or an old credit card under a corner. Work slowly so you don't warp the plate. You should feel the pad give. If it resists, reapply heat. Make sure to keep pressure even and steady, and never use metal tools at this stage. Once the pad lifts, you'll get sticky residue. You remove that safely with isopropyl alcohol or a commercial adhesive remover because these break down the glue without harming clear coat. Apply a small amount to a microfiber cloth and rub in circular motions, keeping pressure moderate. If glue hardens again, reheat briefly and continue. Patience prevents scratches. You can also use a plastic scraper for thicker bits, but make sure the surface stays warm and the solvent is wiped off fully before moving to the next section. To finish, wash the area with mild soap and water to remove solvent residue, then dry with a clean towel. This restores surface traction and prevents readhesion. If small sticky bits remain, gently use detailing clay or a bit more adhesive remover, but avoid aggressive abrasion. If paint lifts or you see damage, stop. Do not try to fix it with more force. Get professional help. A single troubleshooting tip: if residue reappears, cycle heat and solvent twice rather than increasing pressure, and reassess every step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.